That's why it wasn't heavy.
Because that's going to make a tremendous difference.
Yeah, I feel it already. Because I feel more tension right here.
Let's go, G. Come on. Come on. Snatch it down. Come on. You owe me 3. Take a second. I'll take 4.
Say 3 good ones, man. Them weights making too much noise. One time you said that, man, why I hear so much noise with these weights? Why you just bang? There you go. Hey, I'm getting up.
I had to rush this.
So often you might hear these
Like, whole say,
oh yeah, Doc.
Feel the difference now, right?
For me?
yeah, ow.